Switching gears now as the city takes a stand against domestic violence. Close to $1 million is coming to LA to crack down on violence at home and other crimes against women. Gil Reyes has more from City Hall.
Oh my God, Jerry!
You play with me?
LA Mayor Eric Garcetti has a message for the estimated 1 in 4 women who will fall victim to domestic violence in their lifetimes. His words also for men, they too fall victim.
No one should live in fear. No one should live in fear where they live, where they work, and we need to make sure that every victim of domestic violence knows that we have resources to help them in their moment of greatest need.
On this Domestic Violence Awareness Month, the mayor announces a $900,000 federal grant to further boost domestic violence efforts. That's money to train more LAPD officers and service providers, enhancing services by an expected 30%. Since taking office, the mayor has placed abuse response teams at every LAPD station and is expected to open 2 shelters this summer specifically for victims of human trafficking. The mayor joined by his wife, Amy Elaine Wakeland.
We must also meet their long-term needs, their long-term shelter needs, their long-term medical needs, and we need to ensure that they have proper access to our systems of justice, even if that means walking with them the entire way through our judicial system.
The Los Angeles Police Department says reported incidents of domestic violence are actually up over the past year. And though that may sound discouraging, the mayor says it could be a good thing since we want people to report the crime if it is in fact happening.
No person who is a victim of a crime should be afraid to contact their law enforcement.
Councilmember Nuri Martinez says immigrant communities may be afraid to come forward for fear of deportation. But the LAPD assures them deportations will not occur from reporting the crime. The LA City Attorney's Office says there's more people can do to stop the violence.
Tell your school administrators and principals that you want your children to learn and discuss healthy relationships. Tell your employer that you want to have a domestic violence workplace policy.
And reach out to those who may need your help. At City Hall, I'm Gil Reyes for LA This Week.
If you need help, call the National Domestic Violence Hotline. That's the number on your screen at 1-800-799-SAFE.